61A lecture number 31. Announcements. Homework 8 has been extended. It's not due this week, it's due next week. You're welcome to check it out. It involves writing a few scheme procedures, but the reason it got extended is so that you could work on your scheme project this week, which has been released. Its checkpoint 1 is due tomorrow, so you just need to get started as soon as possible. Lab section this week will focus on helping you with the project. Lab 11, which was originally scheduled for this week, is now completely optional. Take-home lab assignment, not worth any credit. You could do it if you want, but we won't score it. Checkpoint 1 isn't a lot of content, but checkpoint 2 is most of the project, and it's due this Sunday. We'd like to support you as much as possible in finishing the implementation of your scheme interpreter this week. So we have project parties scheduled for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in Warren Hall 101B. Office hours on Thursday, 12 to 5, will be online only. But if you want to come in person, you could come to the project party starting at 5. And I do recommend that you try to finish the whole checkpoint 2 by this Thursday, because we're not going to have office hours this weekend, and if you need help, you can always ask on Ed, but it'll definitely be easier to get help during the week, and Friday is a holiday. Now, these checkpoints are worth 1 point each. You could not do them, but the reason that we're scheduled the checkpoints this week is to make sure that you're working on the project while there's help available due to the possibility of a strike. There may be no office hours available next week, so even though scheme is not due until Tuesday the 22nd, it's really important that you get started now. But we haven't changed the deadline for scheme. There's still a bonus point for submitting the whole thing by Monday the 21st. And you get 2 bonus points automatically, just if you submit the project. There's also 1 bonus point available for correctly answering the extra credit question, so you could get up to 4 bonus points on the project. But if you want this extra credit question bonus point and this early submission bonus point, then you do have to finish the extra credit question by Monday the 21st. And good news, we're going to spend most of lecture today talking about the extra credit question. I'm not going to tell you how to solve it, that's why it's extra credit, but I am going to help you understand what it is you're solving, what you're adding to your scheme interpreter, which is something called tail call optimization. Today you'll learn what a tail call is, why you might want tail call optimization, and the change in behavior of your interpreter that will result from implementing it, and that should give you some ideas about how to implement it, which you'll have to figure out.